Alright guys, today I wanted to talk to you about this cool gamification website called Gimkit. Okay, I know there's a lot of these popping up everywhere. This one, I found like the best participation, and I have kids who actually say it's one of their favorite activities. Now keep in mind, this is still just like very basic level. It's not like it's going to go into deep understanding with students, but it is good for like vocab review and whatnot. And that's mainly what I use it for, is vocab review before state tests. Or before like major quizzes that people will have to do. So you can see right now I have Quizlet pulled up. That's because Quizlet is like, it converts it into what's like a CSV file, but basically it makes it super easy to just transfer questions over. So like if I had, let's say, the digital marketing test review, right? If I could find whatever I wanted, right? If you know how to use Quizlet, I'm not going to go over that, but I find whatever I want, okay? And I'm like, oh, this is cool, right? I hit the three dots, and then I click export. Okay, so I'm exporting all these questions. Okay, and then I'm going to keep just tab and new line. Okay, tab and new line. You can change some different things if you wanted, and then I can just copy that text. Okay, so that's step one. Step two is I need to actually go to gimkit.com. You can see up here, gimkit.com. Okay, and so then this is my Gimkits that I've created. But let's say I want to create a new one, right? I'm going to click new kit. Under kit name, I will change it to whatever, so we'll just say test Gimkit, language English, subject other if I have my actual one. Of course my subject's never there. They're like, you don't teach business in high schools, but we do. Okay, so you hit next, okay, and then I can use Unsplash to find like a, I don't know, so maybe I want to find a clown. Everyone loves clowns, right? I don't know. Okay. This is me. Oh yeah, we'll do that one. That's a good one. Hopefully you guys aren't scared of it. Okay, and then I have all these different options. I can just like create it. I can create with flashcards. I like importing from spreadsheet. I think technically you could pull from flashcards too, and maybe I'm doing the long route. Okay, but this makes it really easy because if you're going to create vocab sheets, you can just create them in Excel. Okay, but there's different ones. So template one, I'll show you what template one looks like. Okay, so template one, you'd actually be putting your incorrect answer. So this is if you want to get really like tricky with your students, right, and have like close options and whatnot. Or if you're like me, I like template two. Okay, and so right here, I'm going to hit Control Shift, or let's see, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to do paste special and just paste values only. Okay, and it's going to paste all what I just pulled from Quizlet over into here. Okay, so now I have this. This is my copy of Gimkit spreadsheet import template 2. Okay, so now all I have to do is upload file. Okay, if I already had this file created, I'd be able to just do that. But then I click on here. Okay, and you can see this is my template. I hit open. Okay, and it automatically converts all of my questions over here. Okay, so super easy. I could mess with it each question if I wanted, right? But let's just say I'm happy with this. I'm gonna hit all done. Okay, so now I have my test Gimkit. Okay, and then I have two options. I can play live, so it's like that's what I like to do with the class, but you can also assign homework. So it just depends on what you're trying to do. But I'll show you some of the options, okay? So one of my favorite ones, and the kids love this, is Fishtopia. Basically, they have to like answer the questions to earn bait, and then it's like a open world, so like open world with your class. So like they go and interact with each other, and they go and like fish, but they're like actually having to answer questions to get bait and stuff. Okay, but yeah, there's a lot of different options on here. Okay, this one's really fun. This is called Boss Battle. And so basically if you have like one or two students who are just like destroy the class and all the games, you can have that student, everyone's battling that one student, right? So it makes it really fun because everyone's like trying to take down the smart kid in the class. But yeah, there's a lot of different options, a lot of different ones. So there's a free version. Some of these are, I have the premium, but some of them are free. In fact, a lot of them are free. So yeah, just something to keep in mind. It's super easy to use, and I would definitely recommend trying to use it occasionally just so that you can get the kids involved, and it's a really good review for vocab, and it's a way to make class fun, mix things up, and not just do the standard like we're going to do a Kahoot, right? Nothing against Kahoot, but like this is like gamifying intense, you know. And again, I have kids who like Fishtopia. I have kids who beg me to play Fishtopia. So yeah, hopefully this helped you out. Super easy to use, and yeah, have a good day.